Easy Excel is very powerful utility. It works on Microsoft Excel. After installing, you will get menu Easy Excel between the Home and Insert tab. Let us introduce some function. Just select and click 1 2 3 selection. This will automatically numbering your selection. This option can numbering horizontally also. This work even if you are filter your data or hide column or row. After changing the value of right side numbering should start again from 1. If you want to do so, just select 2 column and click 1 2 3 on right value. If you want fill the blank cells with the above value, just click fill blanks above. The convert to value function work as a paste as value. Here this is formula displaying. Just select and click convert to value. Now this is only value. Here is lowercase, uppercase and title case. You do not need to use functions or formula. If you want to delete blank rows in your selection, just select and click delete empty rows. If you want to insert blank rows every single row, just select and click insert blank row. Now data summary is very simple. Just select and click selection summary. If you want data summary from this column, just select from this column and click selection summary. Single column summary is also done by this software. Just select the column and click single column summary. Just select column. This is grade column. Single column summary and watch result. Result within second. You can make total subtotal in a single click. Just select data and click total subtotal. Auto page break works like magic. Just select column and click auto page break. Here is the result. Result in seconds. If you want merge a row without losing data, just select and click merge row, keep data. Automatic without function formula. Highlight duplicate work like a magic. Just select and click highlight duplicates. Every duplicates have a unique color. Highlight negative. Just select data and click highlight negative. If you want color every unique value with a unique color, just select and click color unique value. Activate position. Highlight the current position of cell. If you want to deactivate, just click deactivate position. Number towards, just select and click number towards. Sum write down, just select and click sum write down at a time. Down and right side. Just select and click sum write down. Sum visible. Just select and click sum visible. This sum will automatically change if you hide or filter data. Never seen before. VLOOKUP. I have auto VLOOKUP. Just click auto VLOOKUP, select file and see magic. Just select your unique codes, click auto VLOOKUP and select file and see magic. If you want this software, just contact on WhatsApp this number. You can download from this website or contact me on this email ID.